How are you? Now, after completing our government textbook, we'll start a new lesson in our Learn Well English book. So, dear children, open your textbooks on page number 63. Today, we are going to start new lesson, that is Unit 6. It's not fair. It's a lovely lesson about a small child. ये शायद आपको भी बहुत बार ऐसा फील होता होगा घर पे भी, जब आपकी मम्मी ऐसा कुछ या पापा ऐसा कुछ कहते हैं आपके भाई बहनों को साथ, अब जब अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हैं तो शायद आपको भी कभी कभी ऐसा फील होता होगा. सो इट्स अ स्टोरी अबाउट एवरी चाइल्ड हु इज अ मिडिल चाइल्ड. जो बीच वाला, जो एक बड़ा भाई बहन हो या एक छोटा भाई बहन और आप बीच में हो, तो आपको कैसा फील होता है सर्टेन टाइम्स व्हेन योर मॉम टेल्स यू दैट यू आर टू यंग और यू आर टू ओल्ड. तो ये सारी बातें ही हम इस लेसन के अंदर पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो इन दिस लेसन विल स्टडी अबाउट अ चाइल्ड हु इज अ मिडिल चाइल्ड. सो how he feels being a middle child, about his feelings about being a middle child, that he's expressing in this lesson by saying that it's not fair. That means, what is the meaning of it's not fair? इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये सही नहीं है. That means the parents are doing partiality with the younger and the smaller one. मतलब बड़े और छोटे के साथ जो है उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मम्मी पापा पार्शल है, उसकी तरफ उनकी तरफ ज़्यादा है और मेरी तरफ कम है करके, तो ऐसा उसको फील होता है. तो ये सब हम इस लेसन के अंदर पढ़ेंगे. सो बिफोर दैट, राइट टुडेज डेट. इट इज़ 12/10/2020, मंडे एंड क्लास वर्क. नाउ विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग विद द स्टार्टर किट. यू कैन सी दिस चाइल्ड, मॉम, डैड एंड द स्मॉल बेबी, जो इससे छोटा है, और ये जो है एक उससे बड़ी बहन है, और ये उसका एक छोटा भाई है, और ये इन दोनों के बीच में ये बॉय है. तो ये देखो तीनों बच्चे दिखाए गए हैं, बड़ा, फिर ये बीच का और ये छोटा. तो जो फेवर होता है किसको होता है? ये बड़े को और छोटे को होता है. उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं रह जाता हूँ, मेरी तरफ जो है उतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, या दे डोंट ट्रीट मी लाइक दे ट्रीट द यंगर एंड द ओल्डर वन. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द स्टार्टर किट. Discuss with your partner how many brothers and sisters you are, who you think your parents love the most, how your brother or sister feels about you, how you feel when your parents show their love for your brother or sister. Now the first question is how many brothers and sisters you are, मतलब आप कितने भाई बहन हैं. Then वॉट डू यू थिंक, मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके पेरेंट्स किसको ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, किसको ज़्यादा अटेंशन देते हैं. देन हाउ योर ब्रदर और सिस्टर फील्स अबाउट दैट, मीन्स इफ योर पेरेंट्स आर पेइंग मोर अटेंशन टू देम than you, then how they feel about their parents' attention, your parents' attention towards them. Then how you feel about your parents who show their love for your brother and sister. And then at that point of time, how you feel when your parents pay more attention to your brother and sister. So now get set. I am Rohit. I have an elder sister and a younger brother. I am the middle one. Being the middle kid stings. I am always too young or too old. Mom and dad don't listen when I say it's not fair. Now, what is the name of the boy? The name of the child is Rohit. Now, he is telling about himself. He is giving his own introduction. Means he is telling about himself. Introduction means you are if you tell something about yourself to a person who is a stranger, to a person whom you don't know about yourself, that what is your name, what is your dad's name, what is your mom's name, how old are you, how many brothers and sisters have. So you are telling about yourself, you are introducing yourself to that person. So here Rohit is introducing himself to us, all of us. My name is Rohit, he is telling. I have an elder sister and a younger brother. तो रोहित की एक elder sister मतलब एक बड़ी बहन है और एक छोटा भाई है. I am the middle one. मैं बीच में हूँ. But being middle kid stings. That means it is unpleasant or seems bad being the middle child. Stings means unpleasant or seems bad or feels bad. I'm always too young or too old to do anything. Means sometimes my mom says that you are too young to do this. Sometimes she says you are too old to do this. So sometimes they just that way they ignore the things and move ahead. So mom and dad don't listen when I say that it's not fair. So they don't listen to my words when I say that, when you say that I am too young or I am too old to do such things. So they don't listen when I say that it's not correct. It's not fair means it's not correct. Moving on to page number 64. So I am making here a list to show them just how bad it is being in the middle. Now the Rohit has made a list to show the things that how it looks bad or what he feels about being a middle child for the certain things. Now what all things that he thinks that this is bad being that he cannot do as a middle child. उसने एक लिस्ट बनाई पूरी जो वो नहीं कर सकता as a middle child होकर. Now, my list of complaints about my big sister. First, he had made a list of complaints that the things that his sister is doing, but the parents are not allowing him to do that because she is a elder sister. Now, first is she stays up late watching television. The first complaint is that she watches television late by night. Also, she can watch television up to late hours. She has her own computer in her room. Then secondly, she has her own personal computer and the Rohit doesn't have. She goes to her friends whenever she likes. That means she goes with her friends to freak out. She goes for an outing with her friends. That means she goes to the houses of her friends also. She gets a really fat allowance every month. That means fat allowance means daddy gives her every month a big sum of money to spend her every month. जो उसको नहीं मिलता है. रोहित को इसमें से allowance में नहीं मिलता है. Every month he doesn't get, जिसको हम we call it as pocket money. So she gets the Rohit's sister gets a big amount as a pocket money every month that Rohit is not getting. She gets to go to places like the malls with her friends. So she goes to the shopping malls with her friends. That is Rohit is not allowed to do. She gets to shop for her own clothes without mom or dad going along. That means she can go and buy the dresses or the clothes of her own choice. Mom and dad doesn't accompany her. Mom and dad allow her to go and buy the clothes of her own choice alone. So these are the list of complaints that a sister is allowed to do, but he is not allowed to do. But when I say for these things, my parents just say, you are yet too young for that. So when the Rohit says that let me also do the same things as my sister is doing, elder sister is doing, then what does the parent say? The parents say that you are too young. That means abhi tum bahut chote ho ye sab karne ke liye. Now you can see she has her own computer. She gets the pocket money. She goes for the shopping. So she is doing all the things. But for Rohit, the parents always say that you are too young for such things. So you cannot go alone to buy clothes of your choice or go to your friend's home or have your own computer, etc. Now we move on to page number 65. Then there's my little brother. Now the list of complaints of the little brother is now starts. Then there is my little brother. My list of complaints about him is. Now उसकी क्या complaints है उसके brother के comparison में उसको क्या नहीं मिलता है अब. He has some really great toys I never get to use. मतलब कि उसके भाई के पास बहुत सारे ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे खिलौने हैं जो कभी उसको खेलने के लिए नहीं मिलते हैं. He gets to sleep as late as he likes every morning. That means the parents don't tell her to wake up early in the morning. As long as he wants to sleep, he can sleep every day in the morning. Third one, he makes dad play like the horse for him and dad enjoys doing that for him. अब फिर थर्ड क्या है कि वो डैड को क्या बनाता है, घोड़ा बनाता है. You can see that and dad enjoys doing that for my younger brother. डैड उसके लिए घोड़ा बन के बहुत खुश होते हैं. डैड को भी मजा आता है उसके लिए घोड़ा बन के. Mom sings to him sweet lullabies before he naps at noon or goes to sleep at night. मतलब कि मम्मी क्या करते हैं? You can see the mummy singing the lullabies. That means लोरी सुनाती है उसको दिन में सुलाने के लिए या रात को सुलाने के लिए स्वीट लोरियां सुनाती है जो कभी भी मेरे लिए नहीं करती है. He makes a big mess everywhere in the house and no one complains on one makes him clean it up. and no one makes him clean it up also. So he makes a big mess out of everything. That means he makes the house very dirty and throws the things here and there and makes the room untidy, but no one complains about his making the room untidy and messy, and no one tells him also to clear up all the mess or to clean up the room. He gets up to eat all sorts of candies and ice creams, while I have to eat things like whole grains and brown bread. Now you can see this little boy eating ice creams and candies and chocolates, all that. So he says that my younger brother gets all different types of candies, ice creams, chocolates, everything he gets to eat, but I just have to eat the whole grains. मतलब कि मेरे को जो है ग्रेन्स या फिर ब्राउन ब्रेड ऐसा ही खाने को मिलता है, मुझे कभी ऐसे चॉकलेट्स कैंडीज ऐसा कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलता है. सो बट व्हेन आई डू एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स माय पेरेंट्स फ्राउन एंड से, लुक, you are too old and to do such silly things. Being the middle kid really stinks. Now when he tries to do these little things as his younger brother is doing, that time his parents gets angry on him and says that you are too old to do such silly things, so you should not do. Now you are too old for such things that your younger brother is doing. Those things you cannot do because he is young and now you are grown up, so you cannot do such things. So what he says is, being the middle kid really stinks. So it becomes very, very unpleasant to be a middle kid. This is the end of the story. So there were two complaints about his younger brother and the elder sister and the younger brother. So in both the cases, the child is not getting to do the things that he wants to, neither like the elder sister nor like his younger brother. So he feels very bad when his father gets or mother gets angry when he's doing the things what his younger brother is trying to is doing, and when his elder sister is doing, that time they say that you are too young for such things, and when he is doing the activities what his younger brother is doing, that time they say that you are too old for such things. So he says it really feels very bad when I'm being the middle child. So he feels that it is tragic being the middle child. उसकी tragedy लगती है उसको कि मैं middle child हूँ. So dear children, now today in this we'll write the hard words and the meanings of this lesson. The exercises, all the textual exercises and question answers we'll be doing on the next turn. So now we'll move on to the hard words. But before we start with the hard words of lesson number 6, the hard words of lesson number 5 also we have not done, Mr. Simple on the Train. So first you will write the hard words of lesson number 5, classwork one time and homework one time. So what are those all hard words? I'll read it out. Simple, simpleton, plain, pale, upsets, journey, engine, strange, surprise, sitting, request, opposite, stranger, practice and foolish. These 14 words you have to write classwork one time and homework one time. So this you have to do for lesson number 5, which was left, we had not done on the last turn. Now we'll start with the hard words and the meanings of lesson number 6. It's not fair. Everybody will start from new page, write today's date and classwork Monday, write lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson, it's not fair. Then you will write question number 1, hard words, classwork one time and homework one time. You can directly write each word 2 times together also. Brother, sister, elder, younger, middle, complaints, watching, television, allowance, really, lullabies, nap, mess, candies, whole grains and frown. So 16 words you have to write. Now these are your meanings. Question number 2, word meanings, classwork one time and homework also one time. Stings seems bad, fair, reasonable और proper. अब मैंने कॉमा लगाकर लिखा है, इसका मतलब either you can write reasonable और proper, अभी दोनों लिखेंगे लेकिन एग्जाम में you can write any one. Fat, which is big also and worth lot of money. Fat का मतलब बड़ा होता है यहाँ पर यहाँ पर according to the lesson the meaning of fat is worth lot of monies. Fat allowance आया था ना word, that was a fat allowance means बहुत सारे पैसे उसको as a pocket money the Rohit's elder sister used to get. Allowance, money given regularly. lullabies, a soft gentle song sung to make the child sleep. लोरी जिसको बोलते हैं naps, short sleep during the day. जो थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के लिए जो दिन में सो जाते हैं, that is called as the naps. Next is your mess. Make things very dirty and untidy. Candies, sweets, whole grains made of natural grains, and frown, and angry expression on the forehead. So these 10 word meanings and 16 hard words you have to write of the lesson number 6. This is all for today for the work that you have to do in lesson number 6. All the exercises, textual exercises and the question answers that remains will be done on the next turn. And you all prepare for your exams very nicely, and then only you do the homework. जो भी homework अभी दिया हुआ है Saturday का, आज का अभी, वो सब आप जो है आप धीमे धीमे करिएगा. एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन पहले करिए और फिर आप ये होमवर्क कंप्लीट करिएगा. So dear children, till then, bye bye and have a nice day.